Good day, it's Alex the Woodworking Dude, and I have a special unboxing for y'all guys. I have the Wyze Cam V3. I bought it on launch date, but as you know, I live in Barbados, so it took a while before it got here. So this is what I have here to unbox for y'all guys, and hope you enjoy. I have some other items to review in the future as well. This is to control any devices that may carry infrared communications. This will make those devices seem smart as well. And I have a Bluetooth bulb. This operates seamlessly with your smartphone. Another option on not to use Wi-Fi. I'm testing out these items as I'm going this direction with my build, and I just thought that I would buy a series of devices and test them out here first before I install them full time. Anyway, on to the unboxing. As you can see, this is the Wyze Cam V3. It works with Alex. It works with the assistant. That means you can use your Amazon Echo devices, you can use your Google Assistant devices, and you can talk to these devices to also talk to the camera to make things a little more integrated. Straight away you have your quick start guide. You have all the instructions needed to install and operate the device. You can also use the Wyze app to make things a lot easier with the setup. The camera next. And then the accessories. You will get the magnetic mount. You have a two-sided tape mount and the USB cable. And of course they included a charger. Actually, it's more like it's not a charger, it's the USB Type-C plug to power this camera, as it is a wired camera. This camera is perfect for what I need for my family necessities. It's not a camera to do high level security, as in secure a bank or city area, but it's perfect for the family in terms of price, in terms of usability and quality. And I think that's the most you need as in a personal home situation. Just enough that you can keep surveillance of your home and make sure everyone is safe, but not anything that you needed to, like, you need to break the bank. I also want to mention you get 14 days of the free Cam Plus subscription. This unlocks a whole new set of features not available if you don't have Cam Plus, such as human detection. This camera is a simple, easy to use, easy to maintain. It's weatherproof. What more can you ask for? Well, I'm going to give you a 360 view of the camera so you can see right around. You can see how it looks on all sides. and I will come up with a review for this camera. I'm going to test it first for at least, I would say, at least 3 months, and then I will come back to you with what I really think about the camera, how it really operates, and how it was to set it, the notifications from the app and stuff like that. So if you like the video, please comment below, like and subscribe, and I hope to hear you all again. This is Alex, Woodworking Dude, and